I'd like to talk to you today about cashing out and not getting your car repaired. I want to be really clear. I understand. If you're between the proverbial rock and a hard spot and you really need the money, I get it. But at a bare minimum, you want to get a body shop, and at Sharp Auto Body, we do this all the time. You want to at least get a body shop involved, and here's one of the reasons why. Mr. Insurance Company is not your friend. And one of the things that they're doing, you've seen some previous videos and how we've helped some clients. One of the things insurance companies are doing are drastically short paying claims, which means that if you've got $10,000 worth of damage, they're gonna try and pay $2, $3, $4,000 on it. If you cash out, they write that initial estimate really, really low. And they know that the percentage is about 30% nationwide. People cash the check and don't get the car fixed. That's not a good move. I get that you may need money, but what you want to do is get to somebody that can help you can negotiate with the insurance company to get you the value of what you're really owed for all the damage. The insurance company's responsibility contractually is to make you whole, meaning to pay you 100% of that claim, whether you fix the car or not. We can help you get as much money as possible out of the insurance company, because here's the downside. When you go to trade that car in or sell it outright or however you're going to get rid of it, you're going to lose that $6,000 because you got, at the end of the day, you still have $10,000 worth of damage. So cashing out is what I call it, when you cash the check and don't fix the car. Again, I understand if you need to do that, but let us help you get the maximum amount of money out of the insurance company, because at some point you're going to have to pay the price. And it'll be okay if you take that $10,000 and you pay the mortgage or buy food and the stuff that you really need, and then you understand you're going to take that $10,000 hit when you get rid of the car. At least you had that $10,000. If you don't do these steps that we can help you with here at Sharp Auto Body, then what's going to happen is they're going to short pay you on that claim, and you're going to lose literally thousands of dollars when you go to get rid of the car. So I hope this one was helpful as well. And if it was, please share it with your family, friends, and the people you love. And if you've got ideas or things, questions, reach out to us, and we'll be happy to make videos for what your questions might be around cars, collision, insurance, maintenance, safety, the whole shebang. I've got something to say about it. I wrote a book, Car Sense. You can get it on Amazon. So hope you have a great day. Be safe. Talk to you soon.